Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I'm always boxing stuff up to ship. And you've probably seen my how to load a tape gun video, and you know, these things are frustrating, man. We got to have them for our day-to-day life. And one thing that you may have noticed, see that tape dangling down there? How many times have you taped a box and that tape just kind of like comes out and then you got to re-roll it and all that? Man, that's janky. So all I got to say is tuck it. Tuck it. Hello, who's there? Who's there, man? Tuck off. Tuck off. Don't tuck yourself. I don't tuck and want it. Tuck it! Tuck it! Tuck it! Tuck it! Tuck it! TapeTucker! I'm going to attach this thing, man. I'm going to see what I got here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get it out of the little TapeTucker packaging. And by the way, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. I'm going to go ahead and get this sucker out. Let's see. There we go. Tuck it. Tuck you. Tuck off. I'm going to take this sucker out here. Oh, there it is. The TapeTucker, man. TapeTucker. Tucker. Look at that. Brilliant design. Minimalist design. Very flashy. And, you know, let's go ahead and let's attach this tucker to that tape gun. Let's get her done, man. Let's attach this TapeTucker to that gun. And if you're like me, your tape gun's all janky and stuff, man. You got your tape right here. Look at this. Look at that. The tape's stuck down there. Tuck it! Tuck off! Tuck you! So now we're about to install the TapeTucker. I'm going to show you how this tucker works. So it's very simple. You got the TapeTucker, and then you got an adhesive back that I've not yet exposed. But I'm about to expose the tucking back. Because we're going to put this tucker on this tucker, man. And we're going to make this tucker more efficient. So here's what we're going to do. Take this back off of this tucker. Very nice. Ooh. Take that tucking back off. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put this tape. Get your tape down. Yeah, get your tape down there. And now we're going to take this tucker, the TapeTucker, and we're going to install it. Look at this. Watch this. TapeTucker, you tucker! Tuck yourself! But see, now I've got the TapeTucker on here. So when I take my box, the TapeTucker is going to prevent all the tucking madness. So let's go ahead and get this box, man. Let's see what we got. Tucking madness. Look at that tape tucker right there. That tucker made sure that tape did not come off. That tucker is one of the finest tuckers I've ever met. Look at that. Look at that little tape tucker right there. That tucker is one of the best tuckers I've ever met. Look at that. How does a tape tucker work? Well, you've seen it. Did you see me grab the tape and try to put it back on there? No, because TapeTucker did that. Look at that. A TapeTucker. So if you're looking for the TapeTucker, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it online. So if you're looking for the TapeTucker, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it online. TapeTucker. If you want to tell everybody to tuck off, you can expand this video's description and click the link there. You can find where to order it online. TapeTucker. You like to tape up a bunch of boxes like I do? Maybe you don't enjoy it. But you know what? Make your task less miserable with TapeTucker. You tucker. And be sure to subscribe, ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there and you can find where to order the TapeTucker online. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.
TapeTucker. TapeTucker makes wrapping so much quicker. No more struggling with the ends. The TapeTucker helps us make amends. With a simple flick of the wrist, the tape is secured without a twist. No more tangled, messy tape. The tucker helps us seal with grace. So if you're wrapping gifts galore, get a TapeTucker, and you'll adore. A tool that saves you time and stress. TapeTucker, we must confess.
Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.